Okay, so what we got here is the Lamborghini Urus 2021. Is now installed with a G-ON4 4K Ultra HD dash cams. These are beautiful and compact dash cams, giving you the super Ultra HD quality for those very good videos. Should you ever get involved with any kind of accident, or you know, you want to capture any videos, it's very clear. As you can see, it takes a very small footprint. You can't even see it when you're driving. And you got the rear one as well. It's all connected to your phone, so you can view video on your phone directly. And also you can download videos directly to your phone as well. So if you want something like this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come see our Cars and Security in Ilford Gansel, IG2 6 Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys.